band. What's one of your favorite bands?
Flock of Seagulls.
Ooh, Flock of Seagulls. Sorry, gotta take Flock of Seagulls, guys. Yeah, Flock of Seagulls. Sorry, I like to feed them. Gives me peace during such unrest.
No, I understand. You've been through a lot.
Thank you for meeting me here.
It's the only place I could meet you.
Nobody suspects a giant pier. I hear the project's coming along nicely.
It's coming along nicely, but I haven't seen a deposit in my account yet.
Well, I will not put any deposit in any accounts until I understand that the project is complete. Were such the agreement. You should feed the birds as well, otherwise it looks fucking weird.
Hey, you two on the pier! Stop feeding the fucking birds!
Hey, fuck you, Clark!
They're shitting on my boat, asshole!
Yeah, well, your boat's fucking dumb!
See this? That's my dick!
Oh, great! I can't find it! Looks like a word for the seagulls!
Fuck you!
Fuck you! I've been living in anonymity for many years. Nobody knows who I am in this town. That's how I get by. Again, once I understand that the project is complete.
You just made a scene, dude. Stop feeding the bird.
Oh, that's just Clark.
Stop
He's a douche.
feeding.
If I don't feed the seagulls, what are they gonna get raised on? Trash? Then they eat razor blades and they die. All right?
They're rats.
They're rats.
They're rats with wings.
And what do you call rats?
Wingless seagulls.
I suppose that's an apt juxtaposition. Yes, that makes sense.
I took a big risk entering this deal with you, okay? I know you have a long history of fucking people over. I want to make sure that I get paid.
There he is! The one on the fucking pier feeding the goddamn seagull! Hey! This is